A wonderful day to you all, and a warm welcome to another brand new video. Today we're going to carefully replace the brake hoses on the front axle of this 2003 Golf 4 vehicle right here. We've got brake hoses from the brand FTE. And it also says the date 3.23 here. 3.23 is the manufacturing year, because brake hoses should be replaced after a certain number of years, after a certain age. Write it in the comments below. Who knows when? And in this case, we're just replacing these. As a precaution, or rather because they're really old. Usually you replace them when the TÜV flags it or when they're perished. When you bend them like that and they're perished. And here we've done a whole lot of modifications and I want to redo those with new ones too. Buy links are all down in the video description. All the important wrenches, tools, it's all linked there. On one side we've already finished, on the other side we'll finish it together now. I'd say let's go then. 11 nut. Let's unscrew the whole thing here. So, pay attention. There's the copper washer right here. This doesn't get a regular screw, it's one of those hollow screws. This is really important if you get brake leaks. And, of course, new copper washers. Clean this area really well where it sits, and of course, take off the old copper washer. Now we could, of course, get the short end of the stick, because this whole thing tends to corrode and seize up. In this case, we're lucky, because it often happens that the whole thing oxidizes here and that union nut rusts and seizes up, so you end up turning the line with it. And that can, of course, damage the line, so it's important to warm the whole thing up a little bit. Then you can move it back and forth. Then sand it down, clean it, put on underbody protection, and then you can replace the line. And can pull the line out, then put the new line back on once again. And then put it back on here once again now too. Very important. Only rinse brake fluid off with water. Alright guys, and this is what it can look like when you want to replace the brake hoses. And please drop a comment below telling us when you change your brake hoses or when they were changed for you. Other than that, super important, bleed the brake fluid, and of course replace it on both sides, left and right. Here you can see it, the whole Pyrrhic story. It's starting to kick in. And yeah, all the other important stuff is linked down below in the video description, tool purchase links, and I'd say, see you next time. Bye.